Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a video on a makeup tutorial because we have a dance concert tomorrow and Bean wanted to do a video with me. So this is Bean. Do you want your social media around?
No.
Okay, well she doesn't have social media. Just kidding, she doesn't. Anyway, we're going to start with her face because she needs help. She just needs it for her the dance, so yeah. We zoom in a bit so you can actually see what she's doing. You look so sexy. Okay, so first what we're going to start off with is our primer. So, we have this primer, which is about 5 years old now. Oops.
It's like more than that.
It's more than 5 years old now, so that's always a good start. Sorry, we'll just zoom out a little bit. Okay, I've got to sit here and then do your makeup.
Oh yeah.
Wait, you don't do your hair back? Put your hair back. I got a haircut, by the way. That's why it's so short. Yeah. Okay, put your hair back.
In time, this is going to take a while.
You also got to wash your hands because you don't want to get bacteria on their face. So, we're going to prime their face with this. Beautiful. Yeah, I did actually. This is newer than the other one, but whatever. Hurry up, you're taking too long. Now my hand is going to sit here. Yeah, well I need to have it on my hand still. So looking at the camera, look at me for a second. There are lots of pimples down there, but whatever, we can fix that.
Okay, so I'm going to rub her face with this primer. Massage her face a bit. And you're professional, you like. Since you know a little bit of stuff on her now, we just got to do that. You're nice to do.
Okay, we have this stuff, which is also about 5 years old. I don't know how much it is. How much is it anyway?
It's old lady stuff.
Actually, the wrong way, but whatever. Okay, cool. Oh, I don't know. Is there a beauty blender in here? It is. Good. Okay, we're not going to wet it because then it makes it not full coverage. So, we're going to leave it dry and put it on your face dry. Close your eyes and don't do that. Put your head up.
Can you show me that please? I don't know how to do it because I'm a bit violent. So please do not pull away from me. Don't smile, you get creases. Stop it, keep going. This is not the kind of supposed to do. She's actually supposed to cooperate with you. We'll try to add a YouTube from the background, boyfriend, whatever. It's fine. This is also a bit orange foundation because this is the only colour she has. And Meg was a type of hair, so you can't blame it on me. I'm very quiet, that's all. This is why my hair, you've got to my hair. So I'm just quiet. Start right on my hair. You're right. Okay, stop doing that. You're not going to creases with me.
So,
Time lapse.
it should be here. Ah, it is here. So, today we're going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 5. It's my shade, but she has to work with it because...
Imagine if Mum came out of her room right now.
Okay, stop. Don't move away. And we don't stop playing the background. Shouldn't be playing. Whatever, I'll just mute it.
It'll go flat soon.
Stop pulling away from me. Okay, close your eyes. You're going to prime her eyelids as well.
I'm going to give a little highlight on her nose. Not here. And a little bit does. Okay. Okay, we're going to go with this part here, more than the eye. Look up. You can close the button up as well. Now I'm done with the eye. You should be right. If you're hot with your customer, you're fine, but I'm not doing that because it's my sister and she doesn't need any special treatment. So close your mouth. What? I don't really like that. Okay.
No, look up again. No, open your eye this time. Draw it under there. Quick, just 1 second. Okay, close your eye now.
Why do you hurt so much?
Because you draw a dirt in there. You're almost in there, so it's fine. Okay, now after you do that, you're going to put the powder on. Banana powder. And
banana powder.
it sets your stuff. So, weep, close your eye and stuff. This is going to make you less oily if you get oily throughout the day.
And she's just confident, you're going to pack everything on, so it does not move at all. So you can't move when you're doing Botox. Okay, on your eyes now. No, so one more round of everything. It smells really bad. Oh, makeup. Smells like dogs. Wet
Oh, sucks.
Does not, but okay. Now we're going to go move on to Bean's eyes. Eyebrows, because you can't see them.
My real name's not even Bean, just...
Shanoa, but we don't follow that.
Like you can see, you can't see where I keep filling, and it goes on an outline of my eyebrow. That's my... So well, it's just a ladder. natural one's gone. So just showing that underneath her eyebrow, really missed a little bit too much of the brow. And this one. And then she tells me not to be like that terrifying, but she's not doing that, so she's fine. Okay, we're going to nail the brow. Let's do some extra, some upkeepers. I have enough.
To like do everything. Use too much. Okay,
So
whatever.
your old socks fell in my mouth.
Sorry. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to do your eyes. And I'm pretty sure your the eye palette is in your bag. Is it?
Yep.
Okay, can you go get that? Never mind. You don't make a client do anything because that's naughty. We're going to give you a little montage for that. Okay, we're
What?
back. I don't know, you're just sitting there playing with your hair. Okay, we're back. We also got another longer powder if we need it, but we don't need it, so yeah. Okay, we have our Arbonne eyeshadows, which come in 2 colours. It's kind of like a duo thing. Anyway, we had 2 from the dance concert. So, we're going with the creamy kind of colour and putting that all on the lid. And Mum complained you can't see it because it's a cream colour. Just tell her that it's a nude and you're not supposed to be able to see it. Okay, and then you go in with the darker burnt red kind of colour or browny kind of colour. It comes out differently comparing to everyone else, so hers comes up more brown, mine comes up more red.
So you're going to put that on there. What? Close up. No, 10. That side. Then clean that one. Sounds like. Close your eye. This guy will keep adding onto it to make sure it's really dramatic and constant light. Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying as close as I can to not hurt you. You done yet? Not more close. Okay, you've got it. Where's your eyes? Oh, look at the camera. Yeah, no, it's you. Yes, we're doing that. More than that. Because I gave up that one. Because you really didn't do that, so. Not being very much into it.
I'm going to just flick it out a little bit so it has like a little wing. It looks really bad on the camera, but it looks much better than that in real life for some reason. Okay, outside.
Looks like you just put mud on my face.
It's my fault with the colour like that. Okay, we're going to use a little chewy packet and put this here. Close your eye to, you know, kind of get the wing happening. Other side.
Right, cool. Now the camera. Why is it like that and not like that? You just blend this one more. I'm going to blend her eye out, this one. Yeah, cool. Just don't put that colour too much on there. I'll just calm it down a little bit. Okay, close your eye. Bring your eye on now. This is the Arbonne line as well. You know, there you go. Yeah, close your eye. Other side. Second. Show the camera. There we go. Blue one. There you go. Flip the camera.
For some reason you got something coming off your face. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we're going to go with the concealer and fix the eyeshadow. So put this on your hand again and get that brush you use for the eyebrows as well. And just go any places you missed. And like under here, a bit of eyeshadow that's gone away. Gone astray. Look at the camera.
I'm going to get you a sponge and roll this. What's it say? Yeah, a little cushion or something. Yeah, I've got a little cushion. Eyelash stuck in my eye. You might hide. There's an eyelash in there. Okay.
So we're going to do some contouring for her. We've got this palette, which is a bronzer palette, but whatever. Okay, now we're going to go with this one. This is Napoleon Petit's.
I look a boy.
That's because you don't have any hair. Now we're going to do the highlighter, which is the main part of the show. So we're going to go with this one first, and then we're going to add another one on top of that.
Okay, so highlighting my brush, measure that, I'm going to do the contour, the highlight first. You go on now, doing it. Just shine away the haters. Now next one, I got my favourite palette in the world. I don't think there's any more. I don't know where I find it. This one. Oh yes. Lucky this tomorrow. And then I'll use it. Yes. Okay, don't do it on the eyebrow. No. So I'm going to get a smaller brush. This one here. And you just put it under the highlighter. Under the brow, under the eyeliner.
Now it's like a girl.
Okay, we're going to zoom back in again because you do your lips.
Charles with liner. That's Charlie. Charles here. From Coles. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. Good Coles, sorry. Hello, Coles. Yeah, what are Coles doing?
Okay, I'm going to put the glue on it now. Obviously, we're going to put the glue on it now, but whatever. Okay.
How about her?
Okay, close. Okay, there we go, doing the wash. Okay, the wash is also in this palette. Wee, flip, cool. Do the
Wash, I smile.
Okay, now we're going to blend that together with mascara, which is, I don't even know if this is actually like a brand online, but whatever. We got a little pop-up store thing. Okay, look up. We're blending it together. Oh, I did it again.
What?
Oh, you can't see in the camera, but there's a little dry mascara there. for watching our video. So Chanel looks 10 times better, 2 million times better than me because, ew. Anyway, to address my haircut, it's very short. Hopefully it gets in a bun for tomorrow. Anyway, so thank you Chanel, my sister, for being my model for today's video. Even though, yeah. So, how do you like it?
It's actually really good.
Okay, well, thanks and I'll see you next video. Bye!